What are the consequences of a personal data breach? Now, this is a very important question. People often think that the consequence of a personal data breach is fines. Maybe, but the 4 important consequences are reputational damage, operational disruption, legal ramifications, and financial loss. Let's go over each one of these. Reputational damage. When a personal data breach happens, your customers tend to lose confidence. There is a lot of negative media, negative press. Your company starts to be associated with a certain doubt, certain customer perspective wherein they are thinking, should they or should they not do business with your company? So there's a lot of reputational impact. The second aspect is the operational disruption. Of course, when a personal data breach happens or systems have been hacked, it is likely that for some time your focus is on addressing that breach, recovering the processes, and making sure business and systems are back to usual. But in this period, it's likely some operational disruption has happened or systems are unavailable. And of course, legal ramifications. When a breach happens, the law allows that customers can go to courts, make lawsuits, and if that happens, your company has to spend tremendous amount of energy and effort and of course money in tackling these challenges. And yes, there is a financial loss. Financial loss is difficult to quantify because there may be fines or penalties. There may be cost of containing the breach, and there may be cost of compensating the affected customers. Yes, it's possible that you may need to compensate the affected customers. So essentially, you can have reputational damage, operational disruption, legal ramifications, and financial loss. So the consequences of a personal data breach are severe. Research says 65% of data breach victims share that they lose trust in your organization. Not only that, 85% of them say they are likely to share the negative experiences with their friends, with family, and also on social media. In short, a data breach can have severe consequences for your company, and it is important for your company to take actions to be prepared and be ready to manage these consequences should there be a need.